Alright everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome to my unboxing and first impressions and installation guide for another band that I picked up for my Pixel Watch first generation. And this is another band for the Pixel Watch first generation that will work with all generations of the Pixel Watch. So this is my unboxing and first generation of the Oh, hell no. I can't pronounce that to save my life. I'll put it up on the screen and I'll put it down below in the video description. Companies, y'all gotta do better with these names. But this is another affordable third-party watch band for my Pixel Watch first generation. And I actually picked this one up alongside the other watch band that I got a really great deal on. I'll put my digital receipt up in post so y'all can see which two watch bands I'm talking about. And that other watch band should be here in a couple of days. So look out for that unboxing, first impressions, and installation video shortly. But let's get into this. Let's go. And I'm determined to get a proper uninstall and reinstall of a band on camera for you guys with minimal struggles. So I'm going to try and record all of this in one take. But talking about the packaging and presentation for this band, I have to say this particular company did a really nice job. Really nice, straightforward, and minimalistic packaging. Really clean, really nice presentation. Then you got like a window to the band itself on the inside. Good stuff there. Nothing on the side. Nothing on the bottom. Nothing on the other side. And on the back, we just have some barcode information, which I was holding upside down. And again, the name of the company and the band itself. And this is another nylon band, but this is a more ruggedized nylon band. Okay, very similar again to some of my favorite watch bands that I've gotten from my Apple Watch. All right, and once y'all see this, y'all should know which Apple Watch band this is very similar to. So let's go ahead and crack into this packaging. Let's do this. Sliding it out. And here we have the band itself. And it doesn't look like we have anything else in the package. Y'all can see, just like me. Nothing else in the package. Let me throw this off to the side. Matter of fact, I'm going to rest it up here. And let's take a look at this. So yes. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Nice breathable nylon. Okay. Got the black and white American flag on it. Big fan of that. Really, really nice. Was that a giveaway? Can y'all see it now? Y'all recognize it? If y'all don't recognize it, I'll link the video with the similar Apple Watch band down below in the video description. But this is nice. This is really nice. Then we have the mechanism for the Pixel Watch right here on one side. And we have it again on the other side. And this is really nice breathable nylon material here with more Velcro. You guessed it. Really good stuff there. Oh yes, this is going to be really, really nice. All right, let's do a quick deinstallation of the old watch band and an installation of the new watch band. And let me give y'all my first impressions. We're going to try it on and see what it do. So let's do this. Let me rest this off to the side. Now, for uninstalling your watch bands, it's fairly straightforward. You really want to look at the Pixel Watch and find the button on each band. So this particular button is right here. And what you want to do is you want to press the button and slide up and then go out. So we're going to press and we're going to slide. Which, yeah, I think it goes like this. As a matter of fact, let me do it from this side. So we're going to press this here. And then you should be, there you go. So you press and slide up, and then you come out. But you can do it quick and go up and out. So that's one side. As I'm pushing a whole bunch of buttons. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So you find this button here, right there. And again, you press it and you go up and you come out. That other side was a lot easier. And that's how you uninstall your watch band on your Pixel Watch. And then what you want to do is just take the new watch band, line it up, and slide it down. So you want to go over the button, line it up, press down, slide down. It should lock into place. Let's do that now. So I don't think it matters which side, but you just want to line up the groove. Alright, so there's the button. And we're just going to press down. And then we're going to slide it down. And it locks into place. I don't know if y'all heard that click. But once it's lined up properly, it locks into place. There you go. Got it. And that one's locked in. And then we just do the same thing for the other side. So let me flip it over. And again, you just want to find the button as I'm pushing a whole bunch of buttons. And then we want to line it up and slide it down. So there's our button. And you know, this should be easier if I open it up. I don't know why I didn't open it up before. But let's open it up and let's take it out. Can I take it out all the way? Or is this one of those that lock out as well? Oh no, I can do it this way. And I just have to remember how it goes back in. Okay, so we can take it out all the way. Boom. And that should make it easier to put on. So now we're gonna line it up. Y'all can see it right there. And we're just gonna press it in. Make sure it's thoroughly pressed like that and slide down. And you're just gonna click it into place. Y'all heard it click? Boom, she's in there. She's not going nowhere. And now I can easily slide this back over and latch it back on. So I could simply go like so. I hope I put that on in the right orientation. I'll be able to tell you in a second here. But now you can slide this back through and now put it on. Just like that. And that's how you install a watch band on your Pixel Watch. And again, that's very, very similar for the first generation, second generation, and the third generation. And this is the first generation we have here. So now let me put this on. Okay. This might be one of those that I have to take off all the way and then put back on. Let me, yeah, this looks a little diff. All right, yeah. Hold on. Yep. This one of them. But it's fairly straightforward to do. So you just slide it through and you catch it. And since this is brand new, it's actually quite stiff. Alright, hold on. This is where having a disability is no fun. But we're going to do it all in one take. Whoops, damn. Just dropped the whole thing. Drop test. Okay, let's do it. Like, let's get it. I just need to fish it through. Hold on, let me make sure. Yeah. If I put a bend in it, yeah, then I can fish it through. Yeah, just like that. It's kind of stiff because it's brand new. That's the problem. And since it's brand new, It's like super stiff. There you go. Gotta put a groove in it. This way I can fish it through easier. Alright. And once again, we're going to keep that all on camera. So here we go again. There we go. Got it. That was a little difficult, but I got it. Let me show y'all. Again, I'm not editing that out. I'm going to do it all in one take, but I got it. That was a little difficult to slide through, but again, that could be because of my disability and dexterity issues. But once you hook it through, take it just like that, and we're in business. And now the new band is on, and everything seems to look good, and it does look like I put it on in the right orientation. So really, really good stuff. Now, first impressions of this watch band. This one seems to be really, really good. Gotta loosen this just a touch. It's a little too tight. Let me just flex my wrist up. Make sure I get enough space there. There we go. That's perfect. Now that's nice and comfortable. There we go. There we go. So first impressions of this third-party watch band for the Pixel Watch first generation. It does seem to be really, really good. And again, I got this in the black with black and white American flag. It does come in a variety of different colors. I'll have the colors thrown up in the video and post for y'all to check out. But first impressions, I really do like this black and white American flag one. This one looks really, really good. And if y'all haven't noticed, black is one of my favorite colors, and I'm kind of a utilitarian / functionalist. So I kind of like colors that will pretty much go with anything, and black pretty much goes with anything. But first impressions of this band, it does seem to be really, really good. And I think this will work out perfectly with my first generation Pixel Watch. And again, it is very, very comfortable. And that nice breathable nylon material should work out really, really well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this on my Pixel Watch for about a week, and then come back and let you guys and gals know if this particular watch band is worth picking up for your Pixel Watch. Again, this watch band will work on any generation of the Pixel Watch, just like the previous one. And I got to tell y'all, I think I'm really, really going to enjoy this, because this is very, very similar to one of my favorite Apple Watch bands. So I think I'm going to enjoy this watch band as well. Anyways, that does it for today's video. I'm going to apologize because this might be a little bit of a longer video, and we're not going to have any cuts in the video. So I know some of you guys don't like to have, you know, unnecessary parts in the video, but I'm going to do this video with no cuts. All right, but I hope you guys and gals still find the video enjoyable and helpful. This video was another video recorded on the iPhone 15 Plus with the rear-facing cameras in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. Okay? If this video piqued your interest and you'd like to see more coverage on the Pixel Watch first generation, or any more coverage on all of or any of my recommended watch bands for the Pixel Watch first generation, I will link that up down below in the video description as well if you would like to see more. And if you would like to know where you can pick up this watch band or anything featured in the video today and help support the channel, down below in the video description will be affiliated buy links. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using those affiliate buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate buy links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. All right, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope everyone's having a great day and staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. Man, I really don't like to struggle on camera, but I really wanted to record everything all in one take. So I hope you guys and gals can bear with me, because y'all saw the struggles that ensued. All right, have a good one, everyone. I'll catch you guys and gals on the next one. We're out of here. Peace.